guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? So today is Women's Day and I thought I'll just come here and talk to you and just have like a little chit chat and tell you why this day is important for us. Of course, it's our day. We need to like enjoy ourselves. Take your mom out or your mother-in-law out, your grandmom, your friends, your aunts, everybody, just go out and have a good time. We usually don't, take care of yourselves and all. They're usually behind kids or husbands and all of that. So we need to enjoy ourselves too. And I saw Priyanka Chopra's interview recently and she said something really good. She said we need to be independent financially, which really motivated me and which I believe honestly. And I think we should never depend on our husbands or our fathers for money or anything. Be financially independent. It will give you really like that confidence and also the power that you can help them. So of course, men, everybody, they support us and they help us. That's really good. But when we can help and support them, that feeling is completely different. So me and my sister, we are two girls. So my father's always treated us like boys, and he's like, they are the ones who will take care of my business, and he really motivates us. And he's like, ladkiyan ladko se alag nahi hai, and we can do anything. So that's really good. And of course there are a lot of parents who really support girls. So, and another thing is that I don't want women to bitch about women and to let them down or talk bad about them. That's really not cool, guys. Let's not do that. Let's support each other, let's help each other, let us all grow. And this is what I just want to come and say to you guys. And happy Women's Day. Go and enjoy yourselves, have a great time, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.